Hi, welcome to another episode of Hot Takes. Now, there is a doctor, he's a professor at South Carolina University. He's done an experiment, or he's done a series of experiments, and he has proved that, careful how I put this, certain materials that may have been forced upon us may well have altered us at a genetic level permanently. DNA programmed via substances that we were encouraged to take. It's fake bland, I know, but I've got to be very, very careful how I put it because YouTube will go mad if I say actual words. But I hope you're getting what I'm saying. Imagine that you had a bit of cheese, yeah? The government made you eat this cheese, made you have this cheese. You've got to have this cheese, said the government. You've eaten the cheese, and now all of a sudden, you're not quite the same person you are. You are different genetically. And not only are you different genetically, but, it's germline. Those who have children will be slightly different too. It's all the way down. They've experimented on a global scale, altering us. It's like something out of the X-Files. There's this guy now, this doctor, like I say, he's a professor at South Carolina University. His name is Philip J. Buchholz. And he's done an experiment. He's seen things, people are slagging off his profession, saying these things can't happen. So he's done the experiment, showed the experiment, done it, and proved that it does. He said, we grew normal human epithelial stem cells in the lab. It's part of the normal part of our job. He's cancer research. These are called organoids. They're not cancer cells. They're just normal stem cells that make up the human colon. We gave some cheese, if you get my meaning, to some of those normal cells and grew them for a month and saw pieces of the plasmid DNA persisting in the genomic DNA of the cells that we gave the cheese to. We detected the plasmid DNA with our protocols, and that was posted to X several months ago. So basically what they did was they put this stuff in, they waited a month, it replicates for a month, they test it, and the original stuff they put in is still there a month later. It's gone through all the reproductions, generation. Now, cells regenerate very quickly, so it's hundreds of generations of cells, and they're still detecting that original cheese. Governments have done this to billions of us around the world. Honestly, it's like something out of the X-Files. I'm just waiting for Mulder and Scully to turn up and release it. It's aliens. It's going to be we're the aliens now. We're not human anymore. Our DNA's changed. There's going to be little apps, hookup apps, for people that are purebloods. Hey, get together. Have you eaten the cheese? I've not eaten the cheese. Great. Let's get together and make sure the human race continues. Don't fuck a mudblood. Hey ho, we live in an interesting world, don't we? Where we're freely experimented on without our knowledge and our consent. It's a magic time to be alive. Thanks a lot. Bye.